We've all been there, right? The fresh start, the vibrant vision board, the soaring hopes. Yet, by mid-year, those dreams often feel like distant echoes. Why do so many powerful intentions wither? What if there's a deeper, more scientific formula to turning desires into reality, far beyond just visualizing? For years, I approached my goals with what I now call wishful thinking. I'd create stunning vision boards, affirm my desires daily, and genuinely believe in the power of attraction. But despite the positive vibes, tangible results often felt out of reach. It was disheartening. It felt like I was doing everything right, yet the universe wasn't cooperating. The truth was I was missing critical pieces of the puzzle, the psychological bedrock, and the concrete actions that truly bridge the gap between intention and manifestation. My breakthrough came when I stopped searching for mystical secrets and started exploring the science. I stumbled upon research in cognitive psychology and neuroscience that revealed how our brains actually process goals, build habits, and even perceive opportunities. It wasn't about simply wishing. It was about strategically programming my mind and consistently aligning my actions. This wasn't some airy-fairy concept. It was a formula, backed by how our very own brains are wired to achieve. This proven manifestation formula isn't a secret, but a synthesis of powerful psychological principles. Sensory-rich intentions. Your brain can't hit a target it can't see. It's not just what you want, but how it feels to have it. Engaging all your senses creates a potent neural pathway, identifying and dismantling subconscious blocks. Your internal narrative dictates your external reality. The magic isn't in grand gestures, but in consistent, almost effortless, daily actions that build unstoppable momentum. The journey isn't linear. It's about creating feedback loops, learning from setbacks, and relentlessly course-correcting without losing sight of the destination. Applying this formula wasn't just about dreaming bigger, it was about doing smarter. I started to see tangible shifts, not miracles, but logical, consistent progress. My brain began to actively seek out opportunities I'd previously overlooked because I was now primed to recognize them. My actions became effortless because they were aligned with deeply held beliefs and clear, achievable steps. It wasn't about the universe giving me things. It was about the universe responding to my precise intentions, unwavering belief, and consistent, intelligent action. So, as we look towards 2025, let's move beyond just vision boards. Let's embrace a proven psychological formula that empowers you to consciously create your reality. Understand how your mind works, align your beliefs with your desires, and take those consistent, strategic actions. Because when psychology meets action, your manifestations aren't just hopes, they become an inevitable reality. What's one specific intention you'll apply this formula to today?